Hello everybody, welcome to LolliePoPSmiles. My name is Lollie and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting the website. To my dental professionals, if your practice is in need of a hygienist on a day-to-day basis and you are within 30 miles, please feel free to check out the calendar on the website for booking dates, time, and availability, or call the number listed on the website. And to the public, I cannot stress enough how important it is that you are brushing and flossing your teeth twice a day, and be sure to visit your dentist and your hygienist regularly, because a healthy mouth could ultimately save your life. Again, thanks for visiting the website. Take care, be safe, and stay healthy.